I just picked up a Walmart order on the way home from the gym, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got really quickly. A couple non-food items over here. We needed some all free and clear laundry detergent. I use this on my kids' clothes. I also use this Downy Calm on mine and my husband's clothes, and I also got a case of water. And then up here is all the food items that I got. Got some white bread, the Dave's Killer Bagels in plain and blueberry. I got some canned veggies. I went to open up a can of vegetables a couple nights ago for dinner, and I didn't have any. So I got 3 things of corn, because we use this for like steak, mashed potatoes, and corn night. I got 2 things of green beans, 2 things of carrots, 2 things of sweet peas, and then 3 things of spinach. I really like canned spinach, and like I'll eat it with my lunch, so I got a couple for myself as well. So back here I got some Light and Fit yogurts. This one is really good. It's the banana cream one, and then I also got the, what's this one, strawberry cheesecake one. I got a big bag of mozzarella cheese back here. I got some bacon bits and some turkey. I got 2 pizza crusts to make pizza this weekend. Some russet potatoes, Go-Go Squeeze yogurt packs. Both of my kids like these now, so that makes me happy. I got some original pepperoni, some tortillas, salted butter. I'm on my last stick of butter. I needed some ground black pepper. We are fresh out of pepper. Got some pizza sauce, some of this mild cauliflower. I got some sugar-free syrup. My husband needed deodorant, so I got him some, the Dove Men in Clean Comfort. This is the one that he uses. Okay, so over here I got the Quaker Protein Instant Oatmeal. My daughter really likes oatmeal as well, so I figured 12 grams of protein wouldn't hurt, so I got her some and some for myself as well. I got some cereal. My kids have been really liking eating a bowl of cereal before they go to bed, so you know, I pick my battles. So I got some Berry Crunch, some almond crunchy oats back here, and then a berry back I got some Cinnamon Crunch as well, just for a couple different options. My husband will also eat it too, so got enough for everybody. We got some salad back here, just not salad, we got some romaine lettuce back here, and then we got 3 different salad kits. I got a chef salad, a Caesar salad, and a Cobb salad. The Caesar salad is what my older daughter is going to take tomorrow for co-op for lunch, with a couple other things. I'll probably take one of these salads as well for lunch tomorrow. We got some egg whites. I've been doing egg whites and spinach in the morning for breakfast. We got a big thing of ranch. My husband requested that. We got some caramel for apples and caramel. I'll probably pack one of these in their lunches tomorrow. And then I got a couple new shower caps. Mine is old and crusty, so I got a couple new ones. I got maybe one for the camper and one for here. That is what I got from Walmart pickup. Now let's go ahead and put it all away. So now that all the groceries are put away, this was pretty much just like a grocery like fill-in haul. I needed to get some things for like dinner size, and I also needed to get some stuff for co-op lunches tomorrow, because whenever I go to co-op I have to pack a lunch for myself and my kids. So I needed to get some stuff for that because we were off last week and I was pretty much all out of lunch stuff. So thank you so much for watching, hanging out with me today. If you are new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in my next one.